Hey gearheads, welcome to the future of living. Jay Leno here, and let me tell you, Elon Musk is at it again. This time he's not just aiming for the stars. This time he's not building rockets or electric cars. He's diving into the world of real estate. He's tackling something even bigger. Affordable housing. Imagine a world where everyone can afford a home. You heard that right. Musk is putting his money where his mouth is with a revolutionary new project. A $10,000 house. Now I know what you're thinking. A $10,000 house? What's the catch? Well, there isn't one. It's real and it's happening. This isn't some flimsy shack. It's a sturdy, well-built home. So what makes this house so special? Let's dive into the details. It's built using advanced materials that are both affordable and durable. These materials ensure that the house stands the test of time while keeping costs low. Think prefabricated panels and recycled components. These elements make construction faster and more sustainable. The house is energy efficient, with solar panels and smart home systems to reduce your carbon footprint. It features a modular design for easy customization and expansion, adapting to your needs. Now, let's talk about the impact this innovative project can have on our society. This $10,000 house has the potential to revolutionize the housing market, making homeownership more accessible than ever before. Imagine a world where owning a home is within reach for everyone, not just the wealthy. This initiative can turn that dream into a reality. This could be a game changer for young people, low-income families, and anyone struggling to afford a place to live. It offers hope and stability, and it's not just about affordability. It's about creating a sustainable future. This project could also help address the growing problem of homelessness, providing a safe haven for those in need. By providing safe, sustainable, and affordable housing options, we can make a real difference in the lives of those who need it most, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Gap 3S. Let's dive into the construction process of this revolutionary house. The construction process is streamlined and efficient, thanks to the use of prefabricated panels and advanced materials. These materials are not only affordable but also durable, ensuring that the house can withstand various weather conditions. The construction process is designed to be quick and easy, allowing for rapid deployment of these houses in various locations. This means that more people can have access to affordable housing in a shorter amount of time. The use of recycled components also makes the construction process more sustainable, reducing the overall environmental impact. Imagine a future where entire communities can be built swiftly and sustainably, transforming lives and landscapes alike. The vision for the future includes innovative construction techniques and technologies that will revolutionize housing as we know it. Looking ahead, the potential for future developments in affordable housing is immense. With continued advancements in technology and construction methods, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions in the housing market. Imagine houses that are not only affordable and sustainable, but also smart and connected. These houses could be equipped with the latest smart home technologies, making them more convenient and efficient to live in. The future of affordable housing is bright, and Elon Musk's $10,000 house is just the beginning. It's an exciting time for the housing industry, and we can't wait to see what comes next. Elon Musk is known for his ambitious goals, and this project is no different. He's not just building houses, he's building a better future. A future where everyone has access to safe, affordable, and sustainable housing. This $10,000 house is just the beginning. It's a glimpse into a future where innovation and technology can create a more equitable and sustainable world for all. And that's something worth getting excited about.